Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your Fire Stick is stuck on the logo screen when you're trying to boot it up. Now what you could do simply is go to your remote and you want to hold down the play button and the center button on the remote. And this will force your Amazon Fire Stick to restart. So we're holding this down and after about 5 seconds, this message will pop on the screen. It says your Fire TV is powering off. And then it will restart, and hopefully next time you get to the logo screen, it will actually bypass it. Now make sure your internet is working. Sometimes if the internet is down and you're trying to launch your Fire Stick, it simply won't load up. Now another thing you could do is simply go to the wall outlet or the power source your Amazon Fire Stick is plugged into and just simply unplug it for approximately 60 seconds and then wait and plug it back in. And this will force restart, especially if you do not have access to the remote. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, please leave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.